Welcome to my kitchen. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, I wanted to make this easy, delicious, and affordable recipe to give you an idea of what you can do with any ham left over from the family holiday dinner. Click like and subscribe to my channel for more sustainable meal options that I will be sharing during this winter season. Today we'll be making lentil and ham soup. Let's get started. Here I'm using a 2-pound ham steak and red lentils. Any lentils will do. First, I start by preheating a skillet to braise the ham. I keep the skillet at about a low heat just to get it nice and hot, slow and steady. All right, now to make some space. What you want to do next is portion out about 3/4 bags of lentils into a colander. I usually go by my own intuitive sense when it comes to measurements. Not quite right. Changing that. And that's about 3/4 of the bag. Next, you want to soak them under cold water for about 5 minutes to release any dirt and remove any other undesired bits from the lentils before cooking them. While that's soaking, you want to go ahead and prep your vegetables, peeling and cutting 3 carrots, 2 medium potatoes. Ooh, and don't forget the garlic. Wine break. I like to have myself a little glass of wine here and there when I'm making dinner. Feel free to dice up your potatoes to the desired size. Just a pointer. I like to have all my vegetables more or less the same size of each other for my soups. Place cut potatoes into a bowl of cold water to prevent them from browning while you prep the rest of the vegetables. As you can see, I added a bit of oil to the skillet, about 2 tablespoons, while the skillet is heating up. Go ahead and dice up the rest of your celery, carrots, garlic, and onion. Once the skillet is nice and hot, add your ham steak to the pan. You should hear a nice sizzle. Raise the heat till about medium. Once you've almost prepped all of your vegetables, you can begin heating up your soup pot. Again, I started off at about low to low medium heat. Delicious. Onion has me crying a bit. I like to prep open any ingredients before I actually need them. After about a few minutes, check to see if the ham steak is braised enough on one side and ready to be flipped. Look at that beautiful color. That's going to add tons of flavor to the soup. All right. Woo-hoo. And my ham steak is good. Sipping wine and dance break time. Remove ham after a few minutes and place on a cutting board. Go ahead and add diced onions to the skillet with a dash of salt and saute for about 5 minutes or until onions are almost translucent. I like using the skillet I used for the ham because I can use all the flavor stuck on the pan to improve the flavor of the soup even more. Look at that beautiful thing. It smells delicious. Now I can begin cutting the ham to semi-small cube-sized shapes. Don't forget to stir your onions occasionally so they don't burn to the pan. Once the ham has been diced, go ahead and add them to the soup pot. Now I add my sautéed onions. Make sure to scrape off any yumminess that may have stuck to the pan. Hear how delicious these two sound together so far? Now add in your carrots and celery. Add pepper. I used the last bit that was left. Red pepper flakes. I like my soup a little spicy. Paprika. Salt. And mix it all thoroughly, letting it saute for about 10 minutes. Now you can add in your minced garlic and mix well. Can you smell that yet? It smells fantastic. Okay, now you can add your fire roasted tomatoes. And your drained diced potatoes. And about 3/4 cups of cooking white wine. And now the lentils. I just absolutely love the colors. At this point, you're ready to add the 2 cartons of vegetable stock. This is what you'll get right before it comes back to a boil. This is when you can go ahead and taste your broth and add any salt and pepper to taste, and your bay leaves. Can't forget those. I like to take a bit of the stock, add it to the skillet, and scrape off any residual yumminess that may have been left and add it to the soup pot. Every tiny bit counts. I'm thorough about this process, as you can see. Very thorough. Now it's time to cover with a lid and let it come to a boil. It should look like this before you lower to medium heat and let cook for about an hour or until lentils are tender. I can already taste it. Look at that. And voila, lentil and ham soup. I added about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and about a half of lemon juice not captured on video. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and I hope to catch you during my next episodes of Mo's Home Kitchen. Ta-ta!